Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I have another skincare review right here. So Style Korean sent me this set of skincare to test out. I've tested it for 10 days, and if you don't know what skincare Style Korean is, it's a website that's selling skincare, makeup, and yeah, they are selling a skincare or makeup from a different skincare or makeup brand. So that's it. And the brand that I'm referring here is It's Skin. So It's Skin. The first one I've got is this Tiger Cica Calming Water. This is how the container packaging looks like. And the carton. Look at the carton. It's so creative. It's so pretty. And the second one I've got is we've got here the calming serum, and it's packaging. And then the third one is the gel cream. I think this one right here. So yeah, it's a gel cream. And then the last item that I received is tone up cushion. So I received 4 items from Style Korea, and the brand of this skincare is It's Skin. I've tested it for 10 days. I've tried using this one tone up, but I'm gonna tell you once we go on along this video why this one didn't work. So what are you gonna expect in this video? It's always like that. What are you gonna expect? So I'm gonna be giving you information about the products, except for the prices. It's because prices varies. It always changes. So that's it. And then what else? How this product reacted on my sensitive skin. So without further ado, let's jump right in. So the first product we've got here is this Tiger Cica Calming Water, and this is 20 ml, and it's made in Korea. I used this for 10 days, and the product was right here before, and now it's right down here. So I use this morning and night. It has 64% Centella asiatica that could soothe your skin, calm your skin, and advantage aside from that, it could heal your wounds. So don't you worry if you have active pimples right there, if you have wounds, scarring. So this one would soothe that and helps recover fast because of the ingredients Centella asiatica. And I've checked the ingredients. It doesn't have ingredients that could clog your pores. So this is fantastic. So like I've said, I've used this morning and night. And FYI, this is a big revelation. Is that right? It's a revelation. Oh, my accent is really bad. So I don't wash my face. I only wash my face when I take a shower. But if I don't, then I only use this one right here in the morning, right after I wake up, and then at night, especially when taking off my makeup. It's doing a great job, because if it's not, then I will have another breakout. I have one right here, but this one exists before I started using this one right here. So how about the texture, the packaging? It's plastic, but I don't mind, and it says here it's recyclable. It's made in Korea, and the texture of the product itself, it's runny, and you know what, it's runny, but it's a bit thick because I can see it's not dripping. It takes time to drip. That's the reason why it's a bit thick. It's because it has oils in it. I've checked the ingredients and I've seen 3. I can be sure probably there's more oil, but I've only focused on the 3 oils that I've listed in here. It got leaf oil, peel oil, and what else? Fruit oil. That's why it's a bit thick. But this calming water is, if I'm gonna compare it to the rest of the products right here, this is the lightest you could ever get from this set of skincare. So get it? It's just a bit heavy, but it's manageable as long as it helps your skin recover very, very fast. So like I've said, this one right here doesn't clog your pores. So how about the smell? The smell, I can't, probably it's the Centralia Asiatica smell because I haven't seen this leaf in real person, so I can tell, but there is a smell, but it doesn't bother. So that's it, guys. That's my review on this one right here. How about the price? I'm not gonna mention the price, but I'm gonna be leaving a link of Style Korean on my description box so you could check them because the prices sometimes change because they have a lot of sale. Now let's proceed to the next product. After using the calming water, I proceed to calming serum, like straight ahead. So this calming serum has 74% Centralia Asiatica, while the calming water, it only has 64%. So they have huge difference. So this one is liquidy, runny, very runny, but a little bit thick. But this one right here, it's a little bit runny, super thick, and it absorbs to the skin super, not fast, but it takes time. So this is how the product right there looks, and it's thick, it's really thick. You would really feel heaviness onto your face, and it takes time to absorb, so it's really heavy. The other one, the calming water, does have three oils in it. This one also has 3 oils in it, and it has castor oil. Thinking about castor oil, if you know castor oil, it's that one is really thick. It has peel oil, and it has fruit oil, and they are claiming that this is low acidic and it could calm your skin, so same as the calming water. It has 80 ml. It has 80 ml and made in Korea, and it's a recyclable one, still a container. So in my case, I don't really like using products that is really thick, because I am thinking thick means it covers your pores, and possible it could clog your pores. But there are exemptions. There is an exemption when it comes to skincare, when it comes just based on my experience. This is thick, which I really worried, but since I have to try the product, so I use it, and luckily it did not create another pimples or bumps onto my skin. So this is a must. If you have a sensitive skin like me, then don't be scared of using this heavy one right here, because it did not clog my pores. Now let's proceed to the third item that I use right after using this one right here. So I have the Cica gel cream. So right off the bat, I'm gonna tell you what are the things that I don't like about this Cica gel cream. First is the container. So the container is a bit heavy. It's glass, which is okay. I'm just describing the glass. So the glass, it's glass, and you know what? They did not include a spatula. And don't tell me I'm gonna use my hand to get products from the container. So good thing I have a spatula right here that I am using. It's from a different brand, so that's what I am using right here. And then it's a cream. It's a white cream, and it becomes translucent once you apply it onto your skin. So that's what the product looks like there, and let me show you. So that's it. It's white and it becomes translucent once you apply it onto your skin. So let me rub it onto my skin, and they're claiming that it's lightweight, which is, it's not really lightweight because it has a thick consistency, and it has a thick consistency, and it takes time to absorb the skin, especially if you apply or if you put a lot onto your skin. It has 68 Centralia Asiatica in it, so it's high. And the only thing that I don't believe about the claim is it's lightweight. It's not lightweight. It feels mentally, but if we're gonna compare these 3 items right here, the water, the calming serum, and this one that I am currently reviewing, I would say that the calming serum is the heaviest of all these three right here, followed by this serum, and then the last one is the water. So a bit heavy but still light. So this one, see, it takes time to absorb. And but there is a good thing about this one right here, the gel cream. It has hyaluronic acid, which makes your skin plump and hydrated. And aside from the thing that I don't like about that gel is it has alcohol. Alcohol denat, I don't know what's denat, but it's alcohol, pretty strong for your face skin. Face skin is, you should apply a gentle, a good mild skincare onto your face, because you know what, skin is really soft and sensitive. And then aside from that, it has cetearyl alcohol. So I have searched also that cetearyl alcohol could clog your pores, and I haven't mentioned it earlier that I am seeing a little bit of dots, bumps, just a little on my forehead, probably two here and some here scattered. And at first it was alarming, but when I did not do anything. Some of them I popped it because it's really clogged pores. I'm seeing whiteheads, and good thing it did not worsen. It's not worsen, but so I would say using this gel alone could, I don't trust it, but using this together with these things right here, they work well. They work hand in hand to give you a good skin, and so that you won't have breakouts. So this three is good, but using this alone, I don't trust this one right here because it has ingredients that I don't like, and it could possibly clog my pores. So I have been saying it many times, my skin is really sensitive. It could clog easily. So yes, that's my review on that gel. Now let's proceed to the last item right here. This is the Tone Up Cushion. So this is the packaging right here, and I'm gonna open it. It has a Korean text, which I don't know what's the translation of that, and inside is you got the ingredients of the product. So this one right here has 100 grams, and this is called specifically Tiger Cica Tone Up Cushion. They have three claims. The first one, it says it refines your skin tone, it reduces the fine line, and I'm gonna be testing the claims that they have, that it says it covers imperfection fully. So let me erase this one again, because I've tested that and I've decided to create another clip. So let me erase it. So this is how the packaging here looks like. It's blue and it's white at the back, and it says made in Korea, and mostly Korean text, but the English one right here, it says skin safety tested. So it has 15 grams. It says here 15 grams, but on the online it says 100 grams. So I guess we have to follow this. It says 15 grams, and use it. The expiry date is 12 months after you open the product. So it has a very, very, very clear mirror and a cushion, and it has two shades. Now you'll know the reason why this one doesn't work. It has two shades. The first one is beige and white, and then my skin is brown, so beige is perfect, really perfect, only if they sent beige. But I think they were thinking that, oh, this is from the US, so probably this gal is white. No, I am brown. I'm just in the USA. I am just in the US, but I am super brown, so that's why this one doesn't work. So let's test the imperfection. It covers the imperfection fully, so let's just consider my tattoo as the imperfection one. So first coat right there, that's the first coat. Let's do second coat. Second coat, it feels mentally. Okay, third coat, I don't know, it's just weird on my skin because I'm really brown, so I don't know that it's just, it looks a little bit blue. A little bit bluish, clear blue, and it doesn't look right. So that's how it looks on the third coat. I'm not gonna add more. It has 33% Centella Asiatica, and yeah, you know the reason now why this one doesn't work on me. So like I've said many times, I'm not gonna be saying or telling you the prices because it always varies, and I don't want to cause conflict, because I might say something right here like how much is it, and when you check it online it's higher or lesser. So just go check my description box and you will see the link of the South Korean and check the prices right there. So that's it, guys, and that's my review of those products that I have tested for 10 days. So if you're gonna ask me for a recommendation, I would say like only one product. I would say this one right here, the toner, is perfect. You could purchase it alone without other products included, because this one works perfectly alone without the assistance of serum and the gel. This one is perfect for a toner slash cleanser. I use this to take off my makeup and it works wonders. So far I'm not having any breakouts, so it works well, and this is 20 ml. Now I'm gonna rate all of the product as 7/10. Why? So one reason, meaning -1. So the first reason that's -1 is the ingredients. It has alcohol denat, which I don't know denat, and it has cetyl alcohol. So cetyl alcohol could clog your pores and pretty strong for your face, so that's -1. Now -2 is that what's the -2? Oh, this one right here, it has, what you call this, it has the container is great, but it becomes troublesome because they did not include spatula. So I just wish, and I would suggest that they include spatula on this one right here, because it's just using your bare hand is very unhygienic. So that's -1. Now let's proceed to another minus. It's -1 again. It's because the product is pretty heavy onto the skin. It's thick, and I don't like heavy on my skin. I want to feel relaxed, and I want to feel lightweight products on my skin, especially at nights. I want to relax, and if you're feeling heavy into your skin, it's very discomforting. So that's why it's -1 again, because of that. It feels heavy onto the skin, especially the serum and the gel. So that's why I rated it 7/10, because I got 3 points minus. So that's it, guys. So that's my review. Overall, it's a nice product. If you could afford a 3, then go buy. If you can only afford 1, then I would suggest buy this toner right here. It's worth the purchase. So yes, if you find this video very helpful, guys, then please don't forget to click the like button. That will help, especially if you subscribe to my channel. So see you on my next post, guys. Hope you find this video very helpful, and thanks for watching. I love you. Bye.